Hey guys, this is Victor from Vitagenics, and today I'm going to once again give you a quick look at the iTeraCare device. It's been a while since I did a video on one of these. Um, Keep in mind that depending on the country you're in, the price and the model is going to be a little bit different. The iTeraCare Classic is the one that I'm pulling out right now. I always, so sometimes I get these in directly to me, and then I'll always test them out. I'll take a quick look. And so I wanted to show you that device now. So when we take it out of the box, it's just for shipping purposes. It actually comes in two parts. So you'll want to just get that screwed in. All right, it's pretty easy. It's no big deal. You just put that together, take the wire off, you plug it in, and you're going to notice you've got the settings here, and there's the three different settings. The big update on the Classic 2.0 on this device is to bring back the cool air, because it's of course can be very hot, but they have a cool setting now. You really won't pick that up, or maybe you will actually. I'll show you what it sounds like. It'll probably sound pretty loud. Okay, so here it is, it's plugged in, and you want to make sure there's like a circuit breaker on the plug, for safety. So just make sure if it doesn't work when you go to turn it on, just hit that red button, and then it should be fine. So here are the three settings. So setting 1 is the coolest, setting 3 is the hottest, setting 2 is kind of in the middle and a little more quiet and low. But yeah, so that's it. The iTeraCare 2.0 Classic. If you contact me, I've got something a little special that I'll send along with it. So yeah, contact me for details and get yourself an iTeraCare device.